So today we made sofrito because it was the fastest thing I could do. I couldn't do what I originally planned to do for this project. So hope it's okay. It's the last minute and let's go. So a little bit of information. Sofrito is something we put in like everything. We're a Puerto Rican family, so we're making burgers tonight. So I decided to record it a little bit since it was fresh. So here are the things you would need. Tomatoes, cilantro,
weed,
green peppers, an onion, a cutting board, and a knife! First, you're gonna chop up the cilantro and put it in a bowl.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm. Next, the green peppers. Take out the seeds in the middle and put it to the side. Next, you cut up the green pepper. Put it in a bowl too, in a separate bowl. Then come the tomatillos. Okay, so they all go in a bowl.
So if you cut it
Next, the
under cold
onions.
water, your eyes won't tear up.
Oh.
So you can add
Peel the onions and then cut them. Put them in a bowl too.
first.
Next, you put all the ingredients inside of a blender cup. We forgot one ingredient, which was garlic, which you just cut up garlic and put it in there. It's fine.
You don't have to. Don't record me. Oh, and a garlic.
There goes the garlic. Keep them vampires away.
Stink breath.
And stink breath. Get some stink breath. So the blender broke. So this is what ours looks like, and keep in mind everyone makes it different. So that was kind of how we make it at home. Everyone makes it different. Some people put oil in it, but we like to keep our stuff healthier. But yeah, so I hope you guys tried it at home. I hope you guys tried it at home and enjoyed it. And thank you for watching. Bye, Miss Horn's class.